Morning, everyone. It is almost 6:30 a.m. and 34 degrees outside today, which is definitely the coldest it's been in a long time here. Heading to the gym before work. Jimmy's up and going to work. For those of you who asked, we did move into a new apartment a couple months ago. So, yeah, no, it's been very exciting. Really like it so far.
Awesome. Right, Luna? Where's Luna? Good girl,
Yes,
Loon.
and Luna's been loving it too.
She's ready for a good day of work. Let's go get stuff done. Ooh, we got the golf cart this morning. Get up there. Starts up every time, Loon. Not one plow, not two plows, but three. Came with 3 plows. Here's the tailgate. For $400, I mean, geez. Scrap the damn thing. What do you think, Loon? Is that a good one? I think it is. Let's get going. Nice, easy. Back up to it, winch it up. And we got a $400 truck with 3 snow plows that are probably not worth that much, but anyways, can't beat that. Let's do a quick walk around. Front fender's good. Bumper's got a little bit of rust. The front end looks like crap. It's just outdated and faded. The wheels, they'll paint up all right. This door is okay. Actually, this cab corner is not terrible. Starting to go, but not too bad. Rockers, little bit of rust on there. The bed, typical. Rot on the fender well there. Same thing on this side. It's got some dents in it too. Big old dent right here. Somebody hit it with something. This cab corner is pretty good. The door's pretty good on this side. It's tweaked up right here. Other than that though, this tire is completely flat. But the frame looks good. I say we throw a quick battery on this thing and just see how many miles it has and if it starts. Got a 5.4 Triton under the hood. 197,000 miles. It's got brakes. There's not even a check engine light on in there. That's pretty good. Alright, let's get this sorry thing out of here today. Let's get this thing chopped up. It's auction week here, and we get the privilege of chopping up this disaster. while we're waiting for some of our auction items to go through.
Why is it a disaster? Give it some respect. Look at it. It's only missing 2 out of the 3 pieces of glass in the back.
Piece of junk. The axles are good though. They're worth it.
The
And some other
axles are worth
parts.
it, and there's some other stuff.
We got it running in the last video. It takes some engine parts, stuff
See,
like that.
The problem is, it runs completely fine, right?
Yeah.
We've had good luck with pulling 7.3s out that had 100,000 miles, 50,000 miles, even 150 in some of them. This truck has 390,000 miles. And the engine runs perfect. There was no blow-by whatsoever. So if we pull the motor, we can put it on a pallet. We could be those scumbags on the computer that you see and just say the engine has 100,000 miles, which it probably, who knows? It probably is the original engine.
Yeah.
Because these things run forever. But we could get away with putting it on a pallet and just saying, for sale, runs great, here's the video, 150,000 miles, come take it. But guess what? But we don't do that. So we're not going to sell this engine as a whole, because if we did take it out, put it on a pallet, it's got 390,000 miles, here's the video, we're going to get offered, what, $400 or $500?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah,
We're
exactly.
going to pull the engine out, separate it from the transmission, and it's just not worth that, to us at least. So we're going to take the injectors out. Those
Yep.
will be sold as a good set of injectors, because those definitely aren't original.
Yeah, they
And
work great.
Someone will buy them for rebuilding them, right?
Yeah.
On eBay. We'll take the high pressure pump out. Someone will buy that to rebuild it on eBay also. And the turbo, right?
Yeah, turbo will come out.
I mean, the turbo is what it is. Just make sure there's no bearing play and stuff, and it's
Take
not
the
completely covered in oil.
the oil cooler ends are worth something as
Yeah,
well.
miles on those don't matter as long as there's no cracks in them. That's probably it off the engine.
Yeah.
We'll sell the IDM.
Oh, IDM, yeah.
We'll take
PCM,
the PCM. We'll take the gauge cluster out, the fuse box.
possibly these seats. I don't know.
See, the
They're
problem is-
probably stained though.
Yeah, there's
They're
nowhere.
cloth.
There's nowhere to put these seats. So like, if someone wants the front seats for $200, it's worth it if we were able to store them somewhere. Just leave them and say the seats are in stock. But like, there's nowhere to put the seats. We don't want to put them up high, because by the time you get them up there, they sit for a month or two. The goal is for us to find a property where we can just say, take this truck and go park it in the corner and leave it there. When someone messages for the seats, which we do get messages for stuff like that all the time. Hey, we had someone message us for these. They're actually sitting right there. The guy wants them. They're not worth even the time really to meet. It's $20. But like, if it's sitting in the corner and we're open 8 to 4, come grab it. We want the fuel tank. It's still in the truck. The truck's over there in the corner. We'll pull it out real quick. But we don't have the space here, unfortunately, to drop the tank and say store it up there or store it outside or something. There's just not enough room. So for the seats, for the couple $100 that we'll get in maybe a month, well, it's just going to be a Facebook message for seats. Yeah, someone for a snowplow. It's not worth it for now. Like, we have seats over there, Sean. Those are nice seats out of a newer truck. It's a full set that are in really good shape. So I think what we're going to do is, we don't have any more dump trucks, or we don't have a dump truck that we own that we use, like the black F350
That we sold.
that we sold from the landscaping business. We use that for scrapping stuff. So what we do is we park these trucks out. I don't think any doors are savable, which is good on this because they can stay shut.
Yeah.
We will literally just, any metal floating around in this shop, there's a toolbox that got chopped off of the truck because it was rusty. There's a whole trash can filled with like footsteps, running boards, power steering lines, brake lines, just all junk. We can literally dump it in the truck because it's all metal. There's an exhaust, just stuff the truck full after we get everything we need out of it parts-wise. And then this whole thing will go onto the tow truck once the axles are out and go to scrap. And then they'll pay us for it. We basically cleaned our shop up and we got the parts we needed. So that's going to be the goal for today, right?
Yeah, and all in one trip too. We don't have to waste time going back and putting it in a pickup truck or something like that and driving it over there. Just get it out of here at once as our dumpster.
That's our dumpster, pretty much, a crew cab dumpster.
Yeah.